disciplined at all in terms of my eating and my fitness. I mean, I can't even relate to that guy anymore that I was in those years, 2012, again, had a really, really bad IPL season, and my eating habits were horrible in that season. Very, very bad. And I can remember coming back home and I came out of the shower. The team didn't do well. I came out of the shower. I looked at myself in the mirror and I was like, you can't look like that if you're an international cricketer. I was like, how the hell are you going to continue like this if you don't take care of yourself? Boom. From next day onwards, I just changed everything about my diet. Hitting the gym 2 hours a day. Just taking a day off in a week, eating proper lean food. I did not have a cheat day at all, and within 8 to 10 months I lost about 6 or 7 kgs, and then from then on it became such an addiction. 13 months I wasn't selected again, and then it became sort of a madness that I want to get back up. I want to get back into the team, and then those 13 months I was so focused. I was so focused that I want to get back. I don't change the way I'm playing or the way I'm training or thinking or eating. I can never be among the best players in the world, and there's no point in just competing if you don't want to be the best. I know that I wasn't the most skilled sports person when I came in, but the only thing that's been constant is working hard on myself and my game. Look, when I step onto the field, I have to believe that I'm the best. Because my mindset, as I said, was very clear from the first time I started playing this game. I'm not going to allow anyone to think that I'm just a pushover on the field. It's not to disrespect anyone, but it's belief in my own abilities. Look, at this level, people are going to eat you up. If you show them any vulnerability or fears, they're going to eat you up. So for me, I just have to be as fearless as I can. And even if I get out, I want to get out on my terms. My father, firstly, was a very punctual man. And then my coach as well. For him, not being on time was absolutely not accepted. There was no tolerance for that. So 6 a.m. practice means I was there 5:45 every morning. That just became a norm for me. Even from the outside, from people's point of view, yes, they can look at my life and say, oh, he's got everything. But at the end of the day, what you really need is to be happy in your heart and enjoy what you do on a daily basis.